A Pirate's Life by Sam. One summer, a eager pirate was sailing the seven seas for adventure. He always searched for it at day and even at night. One day, he reached a foggy place. What the? And then he saw a shadow. And that shadow was a weird shadow. But the fog was as white as a cloud. So he didn't know what to do. Hum, what should I do? So, and then he saw the grow wings. Huh? And it howled, and flames fired out of his mouth. Help! He deflected it. And then he backed up. It was a dragon. He made 3 marks. He clawed the pirate with 3 marks. Ouchies, ouchies, ow. Now the pirate was fuming. He slashed the claws of him. And then when he tried to land, he slashed his slimy head off. And the last words was the dragon screaming in pain. But something happened to make it black as night. But then it just turned normal, and the dragon was gone. And now the pirate was relieved that without his sword, he could have been killed and be in the dragon's belly. The